welcome to another vlog. So today we are going to, I think, Target and Home Goods, because there's Target and Home Goods nearby the house. We need hangers, or I need hangers because I need to put my jeans, and I also need a shoe rack, and I need to organize this mess right here. So anyways, I think it's already in the afternoon, and it's okay. I'm just gonna vlog this late because I need content and I want to show you guys the finish. It's gonna take a while to finish this whole thing, but I like the velvet hangers more than the black, like the plastic ones, but that will do for now. But yeah, I'm gonna put my jeans here. I don't know if they're way too heavy or not, and my shoes is gonna be here, which is I'm gonna buy like a shoe rack around here. And yeah, because I'm gonna get rid of this once we have a dresser, but for now that will kind of like work for now. I need to shout out my bestie. I'm wearing her sweatpants, which is Amor Alma. Look at this little detail, it's so cute. And baby tee from Realization Bar, and shoes from Reebok. So this is my outfit. This is my Target run outfit for today. So cute. Look at that little detail, so cute. If you guys are interested in this one, I'll leave it in the screen or in the description bar below. I really love this, so cute. Marshalls. Go shopping. Kitchen aisle. We already have measuring cups, we have peelers and stuff, and oh, I need the thing, Ma, to put like these.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. What is that?
Oh, I need canisters. Yeah, those are canisters, but I do need one of these though. These I do need, like a set. I have a lot of choices here. I'm gonna buy some velvet hangers. This is where I came here for in the beginning. So I need a couple of like the black velvet hangers, like the 35 pack maybe. A lot of stuff here than the one in Maryland. We have some shitty ones in Maryland. Oh wait, they even have like plants and some stools, like bar stools.
Yeah, they do. Got chairs and stools. Look at that.
Yeah.
They're cute.
But they're ugly though. They're ugly. We need this no, I don't know if that's the one that I got from Target
72
though.
inches. How long?
That was the same price. I mean, that was the same size. 72 inches. When I tell you it's the same thing, it's the same thing. Look, that's even like shorter. That's 70. That's 72. This is 72. When I tell you, oh, 70.
What size did we measure that thing like this?
Some velvet hangers here. Just like Lazy Susan. These two. And I'll do a haul later, guys, so you guys can see what I got. Yeah, we just walk it in, yeah. We're here at Starbucks before going to shopping at Target. Target, guys, I got some cutting board. And I'm just looking around. Oh, look, Ma, look, remember? Right here it's $30, and the one that I got from Marshalls are like what, $10, like $9.99, and that is like it's like $30. I told you they're like yeah, and they're like almost the same thing. Yeah, I told you that they're Marshalls. I mean, yeah. So I want to get one of these for olive oil, like around the, how do you call this? Beside the, how do you call that? Burner, the stove. So I'm getting these. It's stainless steel flatware from Project 62, and they're like 20 piece. And then Mom found this one more of this box set. It's the dinnerware set where it has like really deep bowls and a good size of what's it called, Mom? Plates, yeah. So for $25, which is like not that bad for a whole asset. It just look like that, which is It's really good. And their dishwasher safe and microwave safe. That's all we want to know. Rack, which is this one right here. And I got more plastic hangers for him. And this, I'm gonna use this white one. And this 3-pack of plastic hangers are gonna be for my dear husband. Now we need laundry basket and trash. Trash. Speaking of, we got trash bins here and the laundry basket. All right. So, see, Ma, they have like the plastic ones. I think I'll get the. I don't know what am I gonna get. Which one? Oh, that looks cool. I'm gonna get one of these for the guest and also in our room. This is so cute. I think this is for the toothbrush. Cute. I like this. And they're like they're $10. We just got home and I'm gonna cook some food. Some steak fajitas. I got some veggies here. And bell pepper. I'm gonna use all of these 3, and then the green ones is like colorful and I love bell pepper. So I have the baby bella mushrooms here. I'm gonna put that. So I'm gonna make some steak fries. I keep saying steak fries, Ma. It's steak fajitas, not steak fries. Oh my God, Glenn. And I'm hungry too. It's almost dinner time, so make some veggies, and I'll put like maybe 1 tomato and some baby bella mushrooms. I'm about to cook some steak fajitas. I got my bell pepper here, green, yellow, red, and I think it's the same color. Or am I tripping? Maybe orange. Got some mushrooms, baby bell mushroom, tomato, red onion, garlic, green onions, and some chuck steak right here. Look what I'm using today. It's the Always pan. Not yet. I still have to heat this up. And I'm cooking the steak first, and then the vegetables after. Cooking the steak first, and then after this I'm gonna saute the vegetables, and then after that I'll combine them when the vegetables are done as well. So far so good. Almost done. Now I'm gonna mix the beef together with the fajitas. Look how colorful they are. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so good already. Let's eat.
I opened up a box earlier.
His mom's right here.
Wasn't right there really good.
That's not a burrito, boy. That's a taco.
It's good.
I'm gonna do a Target haul. We went to Target and I want to do some Target haul because I'm filming a video while we're watching a movie, The Ocean's 8. Anyways, I'm gonna do a Target haul so I can put this away. But I got more of these drawer organization, the bamboo right here. And then I got a set of flatware right here. This one right here. This is the Project 62 kind right there. And then this is, I think, for the, I don't know if this is gonna be ours or the guest bedroom, but I got these hand soap pump. Look at this, it's so pretty. And then this is for like the toothbrush and stuff, so it kind of like matches together. And the top is like matte black, which is so freaking cute right there. This is, I believe, $8, and this is like $10. So that's that. And then I got a cutting board right here. Some cutting board. Next bag, we got some, oh, this is the hangers. So this is going to be upstairs in the master bedroom right here. I got like 3 of the black one and a black white set. This is also going upstairs, which I got 2 for now. I'm just gonna get this. Well, I got it already, but for now I got 2 of this trash bin. One in the master bedroom and also one in the guest bedroom. And then this toilet brush cleaner right here. So these are going upstairs. More, which is this one right here for like olive oil right here. And oh, this is for my husband right here. I got him this body wash right here, which is from the Method Man. And this, out of everything that I smelled, smells really good. Oh, it's really good. And then I think this is second to the last Target stuff, which is more hangers. More hangers in this house, since we already have a large how do you call this? Closet, walk-in closet. So all of these hangers are going upstairs. And I got this instead, which is, yeah, I got this laundry basket instead of the other one that I showed you guys, because they were too small and my husband told me that they were too small. So I got this laundry basket instead, which I am going to use. Alright, time for Marshalls. I got more of these, which is to organize the utensils right here. And what else I got? Got this organizer. I have to wash this before using this, but I got this Xoxo, this brand. I told my mom the Marshall ones, they're the same brand, but if you buy this at Marshall's, they're much cheaper. If you go to Target, I don't know why, but they're much cheaper at Marshall's or Home Goods or TJ Maxx, rather than going to Target, even if they're like literally the same kind. But I got these for, I believe, $13.99 with this one right here. And then I also got the Lazy Susan that I showed you guys earlier, 2 of these. This is $6.99 and this is $4.99, and the same brand that I saw at Target with this one right here was like around $12 something, and this is only like $6.99. So right there you already save some money. And then you guys seen this, which is the velvet hangers, the black velvet hangers, which I will be using in my walk-in closet. We just need hangers because I have a lot of clothes. So all right, I got more, which Lord have mercy. I got this one right here. This is the same brand that I showed you guys earlier, but this is like a set. It has like, you can put like your pasta here and all that stuff. So right there. Also got these salad spinner. If like I'm prepping vegetables or something, I will use this before. But yeah, this is really good. I've seen this everywhere online as well, and I just need it. And this is only like $15, $14.99, which is really not that bad. But yeah, I got that. And then I got the shoe rack right here. I'm gonna assemble this tomorrow. And I got a package from Amazon, which I ordered this a couple days before we drove here, and it just arrived today. I already opened it, but I want to show you guys what I got. I still have a couple more coming in, so hold on. This is the organizer in the fridge, like a soda can organizer in the fridge. I got 2 right here. A lot of these are like organization in the kitchen and pantry and fridge. And I also got this like 4 soups right here, right there. So I'll be organizing this, slowly organize it tonight. And actually I have to wash them and clean this first. So that's what I got from Amazon. God, I forgot to show you guys this. We actually also got these, the dinner, a Vesta white dinnerware set. Oh mom, it's 12 piece. So it has 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, and also 4 bowls. So basically 12. Yeah. So which is really good. But yeah, got these as well. So I'm gonna take that out of the box so I can put them in the washer. This is what the bowls look like. They're really deep, so it's good for like soups. So 4 soup bowl and this little plate. 4 of these and also 4 of these big ones, which is really good. And they're pretty thick and heavy too, so it's just good. So yeah, this whole set is only $25. Alright besties, I'm gonna end the vlog right now because it's already late and yeah, it's 11:43 p.m. and it's almost midnight. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here so I can charge the phone, charge the battery here so I can vlog again tomorrow. I have to edit these vlogs though because I haven't been uploading. Like I said, it's been, I would say, 2 weeks now that I haven't uploaded any vlogs. I think I might upload the movie vlog day 1 tomorrow if I can edit the video and edit thumbnail and all that good stuff. So I might have some videos for you guys yeah, this week, which is a week for a couple days before Christmas, which is really exciting. We didn't put any Christmas tree or anything because, like I said, we just moved in. We were supposed to put a Christmas tree, but it's too late for all of that stuff. So hopefully next year Christmas I'm gonna decorate this, you know, this house, so it will be Christmassy feeling, you know, with the new couch, everything, decoration. But I'm gonna do it slowly. I'm not gonna overwhelm myself to like buy a lot of furniture like in a month, because furnitures and designing and decorating the house will take kind of like, it takes time, you know. I don't want to pressure myself to like settle for less if I can just, you know, take my time. But anyway besties, I hope you love this video as much as I did, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.